Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaliva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 5.1 from the chapter fractions. Before starting the exercise, let us see about equivalent fractions. Fractions with different numerators and denominators that represent same value or proportion of the whole are equivalent fractions. Okay. Fractions with different numerators and denominators that represent the same value or proportion of the whole are equivalent fraction. Let us see one example. See the pictures. What is the fraction of the first picture? 1/2, isn't it? Out of two equal parts, one part is colored, isn't it? What is the fraction for the second one? That is 2/4. Here, what is the fraction for the third one? That is 3/6. Now, these are the fractions with different numerators and denominators, but they are representing the same part, isn't it? Let us check the value of the fractions. Here 1/2. If we reduce the second fraction into table 1 time, into table 2 time, then we will get 1/2. So the value of the fraction is 1/2. Here the third fraction, if we are reducing it in 3 table 1 time, in 3 table 2 times, then again we will get the same 1/2. So, the fractions 1/2, 2/4 and 3/6 are the fractions with different numerators and denominators, but the value of the fractions are same. So, 1/2, 2/4, 3/6 are equivalent fractions. Is it clear? Let us see one more example. What is the fraction for the first one? 1/4, isn't it? The second one, what is the fraction for the second one? That is 2/8, isn't it? The next one, 3/12, isn't it? Now, 1/4, 2/8 and 3/12 are the fractions with different numerators and different denominators, isn't it? While reducing it to their lowest term. Listen, 1/4 is the lowest term. Now we are reducing 2/8 into table 1 time, into table 4 time. Then the value of the fraction is 1/4. We are reducing 3/12 in 3 table 1 time, in 3 table 4 time. So the value of the fraction is 1/4. 1/4, 2/8 and 3/12 are the fractions with different numerator and denominators, but the value of the fractions are same. So, we can say that 1/4 and 2/8, 3/12 are equivalent fractions. Is it clear, children? How we will find the equivalent fraction? See here, equivalent fractions can be found by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, let us see one example. We are having a fraction 2/5. Now, we are going to find the equivalent fractions for this fraction. Okay, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now, I am multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. Now, 2 2s are 4 divided by 5 2s are 10. So 2/5 and 4/10 are equivalent fractions. Then 2/5. Now I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Then 2 3s are 6 by 5 3s are 15. So 2/5 and 6/15 are equivalent fractions. So By multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number, we can find the equivalent fractions. Is it clear? Here, this is the another method to find the equivalent fractions. Dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Also, we can find the equivalent fraction. Let us see one example. Now we are having the fraction 6 by 18. 6 by 18. Now we are going to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. 6 and 18 are even numbers. So, both the numbers are divisible by 2. So, I am going to divide the numerator and denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So, 3 by 9 is equivalent to 6 by 18. Again, 6 by 18. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. So, I am going to divide the numerator and denominator by 3. 6 divided by 3, that is 2 by 18 divided by 3, that is 6. 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is equivalent to 6 by 18. Here, 6 by 18 is divisible by 6 also. So, I am going to divide the numerator and denominator by 6. Here, 6 divided by 6, that is 1 by 18 divided by 6, that is 3. 1 by 3 is equivalent to 6 by 18. So, 6 by 18, 3 by 9, 2 by 6, 1 by 3 are equivalent fractions. By dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number, we can find the equivalent fractions. Is it clear, children? Shall we start the exercise? The first question is, write two equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. For the given fractions, we are going to find two equivalent fractions. The first one is 7 by 13. Here, 7 and 13 are prime numbers. So, we can't divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. So, I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. While multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number, you should not take 1 to multiply. Then you will get the same fraction. So, I am going to take 2. Then 7 2s are 14 by 13 2s are 26. So, the first equivalent fraction is 14 by 26. To find the second equivalent fraction, I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. 7 3s are 21 by 13 3s are 39. So, 21 by 39 is the second equivalent fraction. So, 7 by 13, 14 by 26 and 21 by 39 are equivalent fractions. Is it clear, children? Now, the second fraction is 8 by 40. 8 by 40. Here, we can use the division method. Both the numbers are even numbers. So, we can divide the numerator and denominator by 2. So, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. By 40 divided by 2, that is 20. So, 40 by 20 is the first equivalent fraction. Then, 8 divided by 40. Here, both the numbers are divisible by 4 and as well as by 8. Now, I am going to divide the numerator and denominator by 8. 8 divided by 8, then 1. 40 divided by 8, that is 5. So, 1 by 5 is the second equivalent fraction. So, 8 by 40, 4 by 20 and 1 by 5 are equivalent fractions. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? The next fraction is 15 by 25. 15 by 25. 15 and 25 are divisible by 5, isn't it? So, to find the first equivalent fraction, I am going to divide the numerator and denominator by 5. 15 divided by 5, that is 3 by 25 divided by 5, that is 5. So, 3 by 5 is the first equivalent fraction. To find the second equivalent fraction, I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Now, 15 twos are 30 divided by 25 twos are 50. So, 30 by 50 is the second equivalent fraction. So, 15 by 25, 3 by 5 and 30 by 50 are equivalent fractions. Is it clear, children? Okay. The next fraction is 16 by 32. Now, both the numbers are even numbers, so we can divide the numerator and denominator by 2. Isn't it? 16 divided by 2, that is 8, by 32 divided by 2, that is 16. 8 by 16 is the first equivalent fraction. Then 16 by 32, both the numbers are divisible by 4. So, I am going to divide the numerator and denominator by 4. 16 divided by 4, that is 4, by 32 divided by 4, that is 8. So, 4 by 8 is the second equivalent fraction. So, 16 by 32, 8 by 16, 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions. Can you understand, children? The next question is, find the equivalent fractions of 3 by 5 with denominator 20 and numerator 9. The given fraction is 3 by 5. Now we are going to find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 with denominator 20. Here, see the given denominator, that is 5. In 5 table, when you will get 20, 5 fours are. So, we have to multiply the numerator also by 4, the same number 4. Now, 3 fours are 12 divided by 5 fours are 20. Now, we got the equivalent fraction with the denominator 20. So, 12 by 20 is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Is it clear? So, the answer is 12 by 20. Now, we are going to find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 with numerator 9. The given fraction is 3 by 5. We need the numerator 9. In 3 table, when you will get 9? 3 3s are 9. So, by the same number 3, we have to multiply the denominator also. 5 3s are 15. So, 9 by 15 is the equivalent fraction with numerator 9. Is it clear, children? So, the answer is 9 by 15. Can you understand? Okay, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Okay? Thank you.